Imagine yourself in this 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 3500HD. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel disc brakes, AC, ABS, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, locking limited slip differential, passenger airbag on-off switch and power door locks. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.